Hi everyone, welcome back from BIM AC Studio. So today video, I'm going to share you content number 3, user interface and model tools of the Solibri. Alright, so in the SMC user interface, these are the model layout, check-in layout, communication layout, information takeoff layout, and BCF Live Connector. So on my laptop, I have been installed BCF Live Connector before, so that's why I can see this one. For the new user, they won't see this. Alright, at the end, we can see the plus sign. So when I click the plus sign, this will allow us to create new layout. So I'm gonna type BIM AC, then click OK. So this will create the new layout for us. If you don't want to use, right click on it and then remove layout, then click OK. Alright, so now this will back this will back to the file tab, file layout. Alright, here is model layout, and then these are the navigation tools of the SMC. Currently, I'm using the spin tool. When I click the drop down, we can see 3 more navigation. So totally 4 navigation tools in the SMC. Alright, so when I click the pen tools, and then when I hover the mouse on the pen tool, these are the tips how to use pen navigation. I click on it, and then for zoom in and zoom out, we can use the mouse wheel button. Then so these are the zoom in and zoom out, and after that, when I and then press the mouse wheel, this also became the pen tool as well. And then currently I'm using the pen navigation, so when I click on the mouse left button, this also the pen tools. Alright, and then next is spin. So when I hover the mouse on the spin navigation, these are the tips how to use the spin. Alright, just click, and then now I press the mouse left button, so this will become the spin tools. I can rotate the building. Alright, so after that, the text navigation is the walk tool. So these are the walk navigation. I'm going to use the walk navigation. Alright, so this time I want to zoom in the entrance. Alright, zoom in the entrance first. So in the walk navigation, we can do the 4 arrow. So this is 10 to the left, this direction, this is 10 to the right, and after that, so let me try. To go straight, this arrow should be like that. So this the go straight side, and then this the backward, go backward. Alright, so these are the tip of the walk navigation. So now I want to go in. So now I want to go into the building. Then we can also use the mouse arrow. Right. And then you can also use the mouse wheel to go forward and then to go backward as well. Alright, so these are the walking tool of the Solibri. And after that, the next is the game navigation. So when I start the game navigation, I don't need to press the mouse left button, so I can turn to the left or right by move the mouse. Alright, then to go forward, we can use the mouse wheel button, and then to go backward, we can use the mouse wheel button as well. Alright, so to quit from the game navigation, press the escape on your keyboard. Alright, so let's move to the info. Before I explain you about the info tools, I just want you show you about this viewpoint. Alright, when I click the drop down panel, I'm gonna choose the top. So this will become the top view of the version. All right, then I went to rotate, so go to the navigation and change to the spin tool. Now I can rotate and adjust. All right, so at the viewpoint, we can see top, bottom, left, right, front, back, and then this will be totally 10 viewpoint. All right, so now next to the another tools. Okay, when I click the drop down, we can see totally 7 tools of the Solibri. So currently I'm using info tools. So whenever I double click on the element, I can get the information of the selected element. All right, so now I can see the information of the wall, and then you can also get the information just you hover the mouse on the element. After that, the next tool is the select. Okay, in the select tool, we can we just click on it, and after that, press the control key on your keyboard, and then we can select one more element. All right, to escape from this, just have a click outside of the version, and then the next tool is hide. So wherever you click, this will hide. All right, then to see everything, click on the show all, and after that, the next tool is the markup. So now I'm going to, once you click the markup tool, this window will pop up, and then after that you can create the cloud or cycle markup. So we have to take one note. So whatever you create the cloud, this will align with your surface, with your element surface. And then another thing is I'm write the text. So sample, then I move, and then okay, I adjust a bit. All right, so if you don't want, you can delete. You can click on the markup, and after that you can delete. So this is the step. All right, so for the step, this is hard to remove. So if you don't want to see the stamp, right click, and after that remove market. So this stamp also will delete. All right, so the next tool is the dimension. I just want to get the dimension from here to here. Right now we can see 1.9 meter. After that, here is 2.44. Right. Okay. All right. So after that, I don't want to see this. Then remove dimension. The next is the sectioning. So when I hover the mouse or sectioning tool, so these are the tips how to use the sectioning tools. Okay, just click on the sectioning, and then I'm going to select the surface that I want to get the section. Just click the surface, so this section will appear, and after that I can move the section. Press the shift on your keyboard, then shift and mouse left button, you can move your section. To hide the sectioning, press the T on your keyboard. To turn on, press the T again. And after that, if you want to add one more, okay, if you want to add one more, so let me try again. Okay, so just click on the another surface, and after that we can get the another new sectioning. Then we also move the section like that. All right, so if you don't want to delete, so if you want to delete, just click on the section, then click delete. All right. Okay, so the final tool is transparent. So this will become transparent wherever you select transparent view. All right, so now I want to see everything back. Okay, so these are the show and hide element. So currently we can see the stair here. When I click on the show hide stair, all these stair will disappear. And then if you want to show again, click again. All right, and after that, these are the show hide floor. Currently we can see every floor of this building. When I click here, I can see okay, when I click on the ground floor, I only can see the ground floor. Click second floor, tap foot and feet. All right, so at the federated view, we can also see the floor back, not like this. So if, all right, let me show all again. Okay, at the monetary federated view, whenever we want to see the ground floor, we have to select the ground floor, and after that, add to the basket and then equal, we can see the ground floor like that. But here we don't need to add to the basket, and then we don't need to click set to the basket. We straight away can see the every single floor here. All right, so let me show all. So these are the zone fit. Then press here, so this will be the zone fit, and after that, these are the zone gain. Something like the plus the zoom, the minus the zoom view, and these are the selected okay, zoom selected. So this time I'm going to use the component hierarchy, and then after that I'm going to use the wall. Okay, then show selector only. Oh, I have to remove my selection basket first. Okay, then plus equal. All right, so this time I have select a lot of wall, but all right, I want to check here. Okay, stay. Okay, so this door window file I cannot see, so this time I can use this zoom selected, so we can see this selected element location. All right, so the next tool is about the orthographic okay perspective. All right, so when I click this will change the view. We can say camera projection. Okay, currently I'm using orthogonal, so I click again. This will become the perspective. All right, so these are the navigation map. We can see at the right hand corner. And then, so this will show our current location. Where are we now? I will go to here. Okay, so we can trace our location based on this navigation map. All right, so the before I go there, I want to go outside first. Okay, so right now this is show footprint control. All right, so if you put the test here, we can see the test. Currently we don't see anything about the test. All right, and after that, here is the grid line. If you model have the grid line, we can see the grid. All right, so this is the component footprint, so we can say the drawing. Okay, so now I'm going to try. I only want to see the fourth floor, right? Then okay, when I try when I play the grid, so here I don't have the grid line. Okay, when I click on the footprint, so when I turn off, the footprint will disappear. Then turn on again, and after that we can play the view range line here. Okay, all right, So the last one is if you input the PDF, we can see the PDF here. All right, so now I want to see everything. Okay, so these are the tools of the SMC. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.